Yeah, back again with me, Hendra. This is the final part of DIY Arduino build. And the last video I got cut because my iPad storage is full. I'm sorry about that. This is gonna in this last part we're gonna solder a few more components. Just the easy one, not the hard one, which is the buzzer, slide switch, and the battery and the LiPo charging module. But before that, as you can see, I have a cap for the switch that I haven't been set yet. So this is how you set the cap on the switch, and make sure you have a nice fit in it. Just press it down, and there you go. And do the same to all the three cap. You can choose any colors you like, but I prefer for the directional pad it uses the same color, and for the AB it uses different color, so I will know which one is A and which one is B. Okay, so that's it for the buttons. And next we're gonna try to solder this buzzer. Okay, the positive side is on the left pin, and the negative side, oh sorry, am I right or am I? Yeah, the positive side is on the left and the negative side is on the right. Yeah, okay, so we put this. I have a few mistakes building this PCB, like the pin or the hole for the buzzer is not correct. Maybe I will update that in the later version, but so far it fits. So if it fits, just why not? So if it fits, just I think we could ignore that. As long as it fits and it's working, so it's okay for us now. Make sure you have the right positions. Which one is ground? Which one is the positive? And that's it. Next, we solder the slide switch. This is a crappy switch. Unfortunately, I've already ordered a lot of this, but for now, I think it's okay. We use this one first. Later, I will change the switch to a better one. I think I'm going to have some kind of. As you see, I'm not using any third hand, so I'm just gonna do a few tricks with this. First, I'm gonna put the. Can I get any solder using this? So as long as the this one is going. I need something to hold the switch. Maybe this will do the job. Yeah, this will do the job. Okay. Let's cut this one first. I don't need that. Okay, make sure they're comfortable. Come on. Clean the tip. Always clean the tip if your soldering iron is not working. Okay, I've got one pin. As you can see, it's not level correctly. So what you do, just press. Oh my God, it's hot. You can just press it down like that to make sure. Be careful, this is hot. Don't do this without any right equipment or glove or something like that. It's hot. Oh, I'm risking so much things in here. Okay, I think that's enough. I will make that better later. So yeah, we solder the rest of the pins. Middle one and this one. Okay, I think that's okay. Now we're gonna try to solder this battery charger module, which is TP4056. As I told you before, I got a little bit wrong on designing the PCBs. What I want is the PCBs to facing this side. The TP4056 module is to facing this side, but I got it wrong. I got it backwards. So the right position for this version of PCB is like this. Sorry about this. I will make another revision to the PCB later. Now this is the right angle. I think I have to put a tape in there so the USB doesn't showing out in there. Again, where is my scissors? I'm gonna use my trusty wire snippets. Okay, that's enough. Just cover this side just to make sure that you don't make any contact in here. Don't make any contact in there. See, this one is not soldered enough, so I'm gonna put another solder in there to make a good connection. Okay, now we solder the TP4056 modules like so. I got it wrong, but hopefully it will work. Hopefully. I already have two versions of Ardubuino is already working. Okay, now I'll leveling that up. Okay. Now we solder the other one. Okay. You have an extra lead in there. Cut it. Okay, this one also. Cut it. Sorry about that. Now, for the last part, is we are going to solder the battery. And hopefully this will work. You have to remove the tape. Remove one tape first because this is a very fragile LiPo battery. Okay, I'm gonna put the plus one first in here. Yeah, maybe I think just tin this some solder and then heat it up and then put the positive side of the battery directly in here. Okay, that's good connection. And then the negative side. Remember, always put the polarity right. You don't want this to be backward or reverse polarity because it will be bad for all of your components. It's on the off position, the switch. Yeah, we are done, I guess. Let me try. I've already uploaded the Arduino Pro Micro with some games. Hey, it works! Oh my god, it works! It works! I thought it won't work. Okay, this is a very good game. It's called Dark and Under. Okay, I'm not gonna show any gameplay. Just want to show you that it works. Now what we have to do is to tape this battery so it won't. I think I have a double-sided tape somewhere. I don't know, somewhere on my desk. I will find it later. So yeah, this is the final video. As you can see, it's all working using the 3.7 LiPo battery, switch, buzzer. Buzzer actually work, but the game that I've been playing doesn't have any sound feature on it because the memory limitation. So yeah, this is your working Ardubuino. Thanks for watching so far. I'm sorry if the video gotten too far or too long for the 3-part of it, for the 4-part of it. Okay, and next I'm gonna show you the full Ardubuino loop using some acrylic case on the top and the bottom, and a few power options. If you don't want to use these two things, you can use a generic battery. I will show you later using AAA battery or 9-volt square battery. And stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed down below. I will post this project or another project later in the future. And this is Hendra signing off, and bye bye.